Hi guys, it's MJ here. Welcome to the new video, and in this video after this clip you will see my conversation with Parveen in Clappingo app. Basically Clappingo is an app where we can communicate with different pupils around you can say India. Uh, we have to speak there in English language, and basically it is for improving our communication skills and English skills. So see that clip, and if you like this then you can give a big thumbs up.
Hi Mehul, how are you?
Yes, very good.
Where are you from?
I am from Jaipur, Rajasthan.
Jaipur, Rajasthan. Okay. What do you do?
I am a digital content creator.
Digital content creator. Okay. Is it some company you need to be associated with, or
No,
it's
no, not any
individual?
digital agency for on we I have YouTube channels.
You have YouTube channel.
I
Okay.
have a
And what?
YouTube channel in the educational category with over
Okay.
that channel has over 1 million subscribers.
1 million subscribers. Oh my God! Congratulations to you. Very nice. You must be doing a great work.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
What exactly is your channel about? What do you
Educational
actually post?
category for the basically for the competitive exams like and mind riddles, paheliya and mind
Very
riddles,
nice.
brain
Okay.
teasers.
Mm-hmm. That's good. That's good actually. What inspired you to start your own channel with this?
In I have started in the 2017 when I am pursuing MBA.
Okay. All right.
I want to go in the teaching line, so I decide to make the videos. So YouTube is the
What?
great platform. I see. Then I posted the videos.
Mm-hmm. Very nice. It's quite good. 1 million. I think that's a big number. So I'm sure you must be doing a great work. Good. Great. Okay. So apart from taking sessions here, what other things are you doing for your practice in spoken English?
For practice, yes, I am also watching Hollywood movies.
Very nice. What all movies
Also,
have you watched?
I have watched Fast and Furious 9.
Okay. What about other
Also,
eight?
other
Other eight? Other eight movies?
other eight. No, I 8 movies.
Fast and Furious 9, no? So other eight movies?
No, I, I watched only Fast and Furious. Only one part I watched in the earlier.
Okay.
Just watched Fast and Furious 9 because this is the current version of the
Okay.
movie.
Well,
Then
you won't watch the previous eight movies? They are very amazing. I
previous
mean, they're
previous
amazing.
I have only watched one movie in the previous, not all 8 movies I watched.
Yeah, that's what I'm asking you. You won't watch the rest of them?
So that's why I does not understand understand the movie Fast and Furious 9. I does not understand that. I
So
only
do
watched.
I. Yeah.
Then other than that, I have also watched the Swap movie and the
Wow.
Hangover. I have watched like comedy movies. Comedy movies I like very much.
Oh, it's my genre too. I love comedy. I think it's the best category ever. And comedy genre is fun. You don't get bored. And the Hangover series, you've watched all three?
Hmm?
For Hangover, you've watched all three?
Yes, I have also watched the Hangover first part.
There are
My
three parts. You watched all three parts.
no, I watched only first
Only
part
one.
that I watched 2 3 days ago. That I watched.
Oh, just 2 3 days back. Then you
And
should watch the second
my
part and
next
then third
my
part.
next movie I am planning for watching is the Secret Life of Johnny Walker. Like
Okay, I haven't heard
this
of
is
it.
like name. It is based on the like traveling
Okay,
theme movie.
all right. Okay. But no, first I would suggest please finish with Hangover. If you've watched one, you can watch the next two. Next two are absolutely hilarious. You would love it. Okay.
Surely I will watch this movie.
Yes, please. You don't like horror? Do you like horror?
Does not like that much.
I hate horror. I absolutely hate horror. And I don't know why, even though I hate horror, I have watched all horror movies. I don't know why. I don't know why this happened. So
just
even I
to
don't like horror.
just to get up from the comfort zone.
Just to see my limit, if I can actually tolerate horror and then sleep alone in my room. Oh my god, that's the worst type ever. I don't like horror.
And can I know from which city are you?
Oh, I'm from Delhi. I live in Delhi.
Very good.
You've been to Delhi?
No, I does not. I visited only one time, but I am planning to visit Delhi. I am planning. I
Soon.
was planning to visit after lockdown. Lockdown is opening. I am planning for after the second dose of vaccination.
Okay, very nice. So yes, please do come.
Actually,
But
I was visited before lockdown at Gujarat in Ahmedabad. That is very
okay,
beautiful city.
okay, very nice. You went to Ahmedabad before the first lockdown
In January.
in
In
January.
in sorry in February ending.
Okay, in February
In
ending.
January,
Then
I was visited in Jaisalmer.
okay. So is it like you love to travel? Are you like a
Last
regular traveler?
no, I am I started regular traveling this year
This year
from
only.
this year.
Yes, it's good because life is so unpredictable that whatever you like, start doing it because you never know what might happen. So it's very very ugly outside. So
I
it's
also
really
recently
good time.
started because of this. I also recently started to play tennis. I never play tennis. I love to watch tennis. Recently, French Open. I love to watch.
Oh God! So you're channeling your inner version that you've always wanted to do. So this is what you're doing. You're traveling, playing. That's quite
Yes.
good, Mehul. Very nice. Okay. You don't watch web series?
No, does not that much. I only
You should.
watch web series Harshad Mehta. Only that I was watch all the
Okay.
parts. Other than that,
Okay.
I does not watch any of the web series.
You don't? Why? See, if you like comedy, okay, so just the suggestion that if you do get time, please try to watch. It's amazing. It's legendary. Have you heard of Friends?
Friends movie.
No, it's web series.
Yes, I heard that.
You should watch Friends. It is absolutely amazing. And for us who like comedy, it's at the top. You wouldn't put anything above Friends if you once started watching it. Okay? Just
I
a
does not
suggestion
know
from
why,
my
but
side.
I does not watch web series and I does not play any of these games like PUBG, Ludo, which a normal person plays. I
That's okay.
I like to play in the physical way, sports like badminton, tennis. That
You're not a believer of like virtual playing, sitting in your room with the phone in your hand. It's not really playing. So you are more of a practical kind of a person who has to go and play physically. That's
hmm,
good. That's a good habit. But
yes.
no, I'm just telling you for web series notion that you said that you don't watch web series. So what better way than to start your web series thing with Friends? I don't think you can find any other way to start watching web series. It has to be Friends.
Okay,
Okay,
I
just
will
giving you one
definitely
suggestion.
watch it.
Yes, please. It's amazing. And do let me know if you liked it or not.
Yes, in
Okay.
next session I
Yes,
will
whenever.
have this.
Whenever it is, I would be waiting to hear from you. Actually, one episode is just for 20 minutes. Okay. And it's quite old. It started in 1994. But you'll be able to find it very easily and very fine. Okay. So one episode just for 20 minutes. So it's cool.
Okay.
Okay. That's nice. Okay. Anything else that you like to do? What other hobbies do you have?
Yes, my recent hobbies are this traveling and playing sports
Playing tennis.
and tennis is my like you can say childhood dream, which I am fulfilling now.
But I've heard like the tennis rackets are quite expensive, right?
No, all rates starting from the 1500.
1500 is
1500
the
to
starting rate.
2000 good rackets are come.
Okay, very nice.
I,
Who do
I
you?
I used to play badminton in the indoor academy before past 1 to 2 years. I am playing badminton.
Okay,
That's why I decided now to switch on to the game.
very good. No, it's good. You would also get bored if you are sticking yourself with the same routine. So you've changed your sports. So it's good. Tennis one. But who do you play with? Tennis.
No, recently I am taking the coaching because I am playing for the first time. Only in the past I watches tennis. I am playing for
Okay.
the first time in the court.
Okay, you're playing for
So
the
I
first
am
time.
taking training, and mostly in the mostly course training, only training is provided in
Okay,
the
all right.
tennis.
All right. Once you've got your training thing, then you can play in a more refined way. Right,
Yes.
but the training is first required. Okay, all right. So, is the place near to your home, or you have to travel a bit to reach the court?
4 to 5 kilometers.
Oh, then it's nearby. Okay, that's good that you are exploring what all things you like and how you are trying to be in the different fields. You're not just sticking with one thing. So I think it's pretty good. The web series part you can start. And do you read? Are you in a habit of reading?
You can say no, that much not have a habit of reading. I love to watch videos. I does not
Videos
prefer
of?
anything. I does not. I
Oh,
want
okay.
to know. I know it by the videos. I prefer it
Videos.
like to know it by video.
Okay. You don't like to read about it. You want to watch about that
Watch.
thing. Okay. That's good. That's good. So I would say, your practice is pretty good. You are trying different things for your practice, right? And it has just been like the third session for you. You've just taken two others. So this is the beginning. So it will take a
This
little
is
time,
this
okay?
is communication skills is also one of the thing which I want to improve from the very in the past time. This is I am doing now.
In your surroundings, do you get a chance to talk to anybody in English?
Not that very much.
That is the problem. This is the major problem with, I think, majority of people.
Majority,
That they don't
90%
get
of
partners to talk to. And environment matters a lot. It does. Even though you are surrounded with books, newspapers, novels, web series, and all, but the talking part is required to a great extent. Okay.
talking part
So
is must.
yes, it is. Because it's very easy to watch things and then keep it in your mind. How will you use them? When you talk, right? When you check for yourself whether you were able to frame sentences on your own or not, whether you were able to use that vocabulary words or not. That's how implementation matters.
Hmm.
Okay, so that is why it's important. Okay, keeping that in mind, I would like to correct one or two sentences for you.
Okay. Well.
Okay, yeah, never use doesn't with I. You have used I doesn't everywhere. It's I
Okay.
don't. Okay.
Okay.
Never you use doesn't or does not with I.
Okay.
Okay. What do you use with I?
Don't.
Don't. Yes. I don't understand. I don't play. I don't know. Okay. You have used everywhere doesn't. I doesn't know. I does not play. Okay. So that's wrong. You have to go
Okay.
with I don't. One.
Okay.
Okay. Second, when you say I want to go into teaching,
Yes.
do you still want to go into teaching?
No, I am teaching online.
Yes. So it's already done, right? So it becomes a past thing. I
Yes.
wanted to go into teaching.
I wanted.
Okay. Second thing becomes tenses, where you have to pay a little more focus on. Okay. When you say I was visited in Ahmedabad, okay. So was is not required here. It
I
just has to be I visited Ahmedabad, not even
visited.
in. Was
Okay.
and in this sentence is unnecessary, not required.
I visited Ahmedabad.
Yes, I visited Ahmedabad.
Okay.
Okay, or I was in Ahmedabad. Then the sentence is correct.
Okay.
Okay, this is the third thing. Writing one word in the chat box for you. Can you pronounce this for me?
1 minute. I am checking. January.
Again,
January.
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 When you're saying, you're pronouncing it as January. That's the Hindi pronunciation. You
Yes.
have to go with January.
January.
Okay?
Okay.
First. Second word is this. Pronounce this
February.
again.
February.
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 Yes, that's how it's pronounced. When you pronounce, it is February. Okay?
Okay.
Then again, it's the Hindi pronunciation. You have to go with February.
February.
Okay? That's it. These are just the minor mistakes that I found today in your speech, and if you will focus on them, your speech is good.
Okay.
Okay? First, the pronunciation. Second, tenses. And third, the structure. Just
Okay.
these three things are required to get more focus on, and never use doesn't with I. It has to be I don't.
Okay.
Okay? That's all from my side. If you want to ask anything, please go ahead.
Not but tell me something about Delhi.
There is nothing much to tell about Delhi because
You are living in the Delhi NCR.
Yes, South Delhi. I live in South Delhi. Yes.
Yes, I have heard that Cannot Place, and that is the very good market there.
What is the good marker over there?
Cannot Place.
Connaught Place, CP.
Cannot.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. Connaught Place is beautiful. This structured architecture is quite
And
good.
also the craze of YouTube is also very much in Delhi.
Connaught Place. Oh God, you know most of the pranks in all these videos are shot in Connaught Place only. If I'm not wrong, that's what I see.
Yes.
It's a good place. It's good for hanging out. It's good for shopping and all. So it's a good place. But
Yes,
for me, all time
that's why I
shopping.
want to see. I want to see that. That's why I'm excited to visit Delhi.
Okay, you are excited to visit Delhi. Okay, Connaught Place is good. For me, all time shopping destination stays Lajpat Nagar only. For me, but
Lajpat
there are
Nagar, Sarojini Marg.
yes, Sarojini Market. Yes, Sarojini Nagar. It's Sarojini Nagar.
Yes.
That is also a big market over here. So Delhi is full, you know, with street and fashion, street food. This is all that Delhi is about. So if you're
Yes, you
ever
can
in
say
Delhi,
Delhi and Mumbai are the two cities in India which are worldwide famous.
maybe.
Delhi and Mumbai. This is the internationally known famous.
Of
You
course,
can
yes.
anything you can ask for India, they will say New Delhi and Mumbai.
So how's the video? Basically, it is a good experience for me, and I thought to share with you also. Basically, we talked about some you can say Hollywood movies and web series, and something also about tennis and sports. So if you like this video, then please thumbs up and subscribe our channel MJ Vlogs. Bye bye.